One love and one heart, Just relax before take a good walk in the swamp this morning. So one love, one heart. St. Elizabeth Morass. People, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So again, Jamaican Morass. I take a tour this morning. St. Elizabeth. We all need to know Jamaican culture, different things we do. So when I'm not on the farm, I always try my best, take a circle in the morning time, check up on my different people, them neighbors and everybody. So one love, one heart. This is St. Elizabeth Morass. What a beauty. Most of the time we use the Morass for fishing. But in other countries some people call it swamp. So that's the mud right there. So we are still in the swamp, but in the swamp here we have a lot of giant same way. So right there, that's a duck's nest right there. Many people from all over the country, when it's bird season time, many people come this side for bird shooting. A lot of different types of birds in this area. Birds like pea dove, ball plate, pigeon, white wing, ground dove, white belly, many different types of birds. This tree, we call it the logwood tree. Many people use it in Jamaica for a wire fence. They use this wood like fencing their land and stuff. It's very strong. So this is what we call the logwood. Just take a good look. It's a very strong tree. People call it the iron heart also. So right now I'm on the dry land in the swamp. So I'm going to the swamp area right now. So just take a good look. Tunnel around 20 years. It's been right here. This tunnel right here. About 20 years. When I was like about 10 years old and stuff, I used to be on this tunnel playing, waiting for the fisherman to arrive so we can get some fish for our Saturday or Sunday dinner. So that is our seed for the day. taking a further walk into the Morass, you got to be very careful. A lot of blue holes are in the Morass. Many different type of blue hole. Walking right now like I am sinking. So you have to be like more careful when you're walking in Jamaican Morass. Many people use this area for farming. A lot of persons. We grow different crops in the Jamaican Morass, and it give you some nice crop. You look up on them sweet peppers and corn. It's like it's a different look, meaning in size. Just take a good look right there. In Jamaica, we call them grass there the cutting grass. If you don't mind, if you rub on it too much, it give you some serious bruises and cut. So you have to be careful, very careful when walking against those grass. We call it rush or cutting grass. Back in the days, people used to come in the Morass and cut these grass, take it on the dry land and use it for different types of farming, like grass in the land, like persons who plant tobaccos, sweet peppers, because it keeps the land cool. Trust me, Jamaica, land of beauty, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. So right now, I'm standing on a very soft area. We used to call this the shaky bed. Just take a good look. It's just shaking. Just keep on bouncing, the land just keep on shaking. So we used to call this the shaky bed. Okay? This is a Jamaican canoe. This canoe make out of fiberglass. So the material is fiberglass. So you have to be very careful when you're working with fiber. It's very itchy and it's very dangerous. Fiberglass is very poisonous also. So you have to be careful with the fiberglass. A lot of different types of animal in the Morass. Many different types. So everybody knows I want Jamaican cow this. We call this around the mother cow. Mother cow. These people you don't know this is the canoe. Everybody knows this is a pattern, so I take a tour this morning. I really far still. So I take a tour this morning. You don't know if it's a canoe they call it a parish canoe, this is a parish. You might be about from ancient days. They call him parish. Man Morass. All about over Morass and go Black River all about. So you know see a few canoe this and stuff too. So I take a chat in the swamp this morning. They could have